Hannah making pancakes. It's our little campsite here in Cairns. We're at Cairns and we're going on the SKYRAIL up to Kuranda Markets, is it? Kuranda Markets. SKYRAIL. Just grabbed some of this crocodile jerky and it's really nice. It's got a sweet flavour. So we got a sugarcane drink made from sugarcane. It's quite crushed sugarcane. They crush it there. But we've been wanting to try it for so long and we finally just stopped and had one. So it's pretty good.
Specific to a food. Yeah. So I've got open tuning. So in this case, it's
RayDuP.
There's so much stuff here that you don't need. It's the following day, but we unboxed the lights, but we haven't actually set up the colourful ones. So yeah, it goes the full length around the whole 270-degree awning, and yeah, it's pretty nice. We have our packages sent to the next town we know we're heading to through Australia Post, and then that way when we get there we can pick it up. So we picked up our diff breathers, so just in time before we hit Arnhem Land and do some more river crossings. And we're on the road again. We're making our way west now. Just a quick stop. Hannah made some banana bread in the air fryer. We're enjoying the scenery on these roads. It's very tropical. a quick stop for lunch on the side of the road before we start looking for our next campsite. And this will wrap up another vlog. Have a good day, morning, evening, night, wherever you guys are in the world. Don't waste this day, and we'll see you in the next episode. Does anyone else like to dunk their Scotch fingers in some coffee?
About me.